Why is there a bandsaw out? Because I've been getting it absolutely dialed in. I've always hated this thing because all the bearings were in it, everything was knackered. Then when I fixed it, I never set it up. So I've set it up now and it's... It is but wafer thin, sir. It's nice to have a bandsaw that works. Don't want to cut things with dirty angle grinders where I don't have to, because it makes the whole place horrible. Don't want to use TCT blades too much because they're really loud. So it's good to get this kind of working. Watch a lot of Winky videos. Good old Winky knows what he's doing with a bandsaw. I was supposed to be carrying on with the Meddings, but I got distracted by a few things. Someone wanted a high octane sump putting on, so I did that. It turned out lovely. So that's down there, ready to be collected. Top stuff. And then I kind of had to think about how this bench is working, had a rearrange of a load of stuff and thought I need a welding bench. So that's what we're doing in this one. I'm going to make a nice fixture table for welding on, and it's going to have the welders underneath it and the gas bottles, and it'll wheel around. The problem with this at the moment is if I have anything long on, the shelves get in the way, right? I've only got one open side, whereas if I've got that, I can have that bench for more horrible stuff, and then a wheelie fixture table for nice stuff. So I drew one up on CAD and got one cut, and it's kind of upside downish here. I ordered some wheels off Amazon, so I don't think these will last very long, Jeff. And then I got some 50mm box. I gave my rollover jig to a mate and he very kindly replaced the box section that I made it with. So I've got a nice clean 50mm box to make this out of. So first job, I'm going to make like a square frame for the bottom, and then I'm going to build up from there. This isn't going to be like a granite setup table, right? It's going to be something that I can bolt jigs to. It will be pretty flat, but it's never going to be like a cast iron proper job. But it's good, and it's a lot better than that. So I've got my bottom cut, I've got a square for the bottom, but it's getting a bit chicken and eggy because I want everything to be flat, but I haven't got a flat bench to work on because I'm building my flat bench. So I've been trying not to because this weighs more than the car. But I'm going to have to weld this together or get it tacked upside down, try and flip it over by myself onto some wood, and then I'll actually build the bottom of the table on the top of the table. So let's give that a go. I think it's better than having a wonky bottom. Shane's got my MIG welder, otherwise I'd be done by now, I reckon. I got a piece of aluminium in my eye last week. Why I wear these now. Do I ask for help like a normal person? Or do I flip this upside down, fix it upside down, get it welded and then try and flip it over by myself? I've only tacked these in one place so they can move a little bit when I need to get it all perfectly square. So they might fall off. But I'm a professional, don't judge me. Turn the music off so I could get my 10p advertisement money. Concerns? Yes, I've got loads of concerns. I've only tacked a load of the lid, so that could come apart. I'm trying to do it, it weighs quite a lot, so that isn't ideal. I don't want to hurt my floor, so that's not ideal. I think I'm just going to get it halfway and then assess the situation. So we'll put some more wood here and we'll have a look at how stupid we're being. If I can go the whole hog with it and flip it all the way up, then it'd be lovely, wouldn't it? I just don't know how realistic that is. Does everyone like the countersunk bolts holding it in? If you don't like them, you're in the wrong channel. You should probably go somewhere else. There'll be a point that it goes light, right? It's not tall enough. Seems alright. remember this? Pretty good, right? Can't shake your head at that too much. I need to do a bit more welding. It's not going to be a dirty cutting bench, that's why I can have the welders underneath it. I don't like doing too much dirty cutting stuff. I'll do it over there on that one. But the MIG will go there as well. There's space for 2 bottles. I can make stuff that will be flat, which is nice for engineering, isn't it? You like flat stuff. I've only welded it as much as it needs to be welded. Metal's a lot of money these days, so I might want to make a trampoline out of this or something, so I might want to cut it up one day. I'm only 98,500 subscribers away from that 100k mark, so if you could press the button. If you're here for this, thanks for coming. I'm building a Group A Skyline, so watch that as well. It'll be fun. I'll start building it again one day. I'm going to get back on the drill in the next one, so I'm going to try and get that painted, but it might be a while. I need to fit. All my cars are broken. I've got 2 other cars other than this, and they're broken as well, so I need to do a bit of that. Not into vlogging though, so